Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy eclairs at home. We'll start by gathering simple ingredients for the choux pastry, which forms the light, airy shell. Then, I'll guide you through cooking the dough on the stovetop until it's perfectly smooth. Next, we'll incorporate eggs one by one to achieve the ideal consistency for piping. To create your perfect choux pastry, first combine 1 cup of water, half a cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil, then remove it from the heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Return it to medium heat, stirring constantly for about 2 minutes until a film forms. Let it cool slightly before beating in 4 large eggs, one at a time, until the dough is smooth and glossy. Now it's time to pipe your choux pastry. Use a piping bag with a 1/2-inch round tip to create 3-inch logs on a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving some space between each. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for another 20 minutes until golden and puffed. While they cool, prepare your favorite cream filling, like a classic pastry cream or a simple whipped cream. For the final touch, let's make a simple chocolate glaze. Whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Once your eclairs are completely cool, carefully slice them lengthwise and fill them generously with your prepared cream. Then, dip the tops into the chocolate glaze and let it set. Don't forget to check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, delicious eclairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.